Give me a second, I'm trying to select the appropriate weapon. Watch where you stepping, them snakes all around, you know they connected. When I was a kid, my grandmama told me I can't go to heaven, so I stopped praying and asking for blessings and started preparing for my Armageddon. Got nothing to lose, I'm all in. Walking the edge, don't fall in. Enough of the lies, don't apologize. I don't understand, are you foreign? This is the place, this is the site. Grab all your people and log in. I'm waiting, don't care how long it's gonna take. Watching and waiting for that first mistake. Don't come up missing, don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner, you right on my hit list.
Alright guys, I'm just letting you guys know that I am gonna do absolute damage at this sushi place. I can't even remember the last time I had sushi. It's been way too long, and I'm definitely gonna go in. What's the name of the place that we're going to?
One Sushi.
One Sushi.
Best place in town.
And where are we?
Marietta. It's pretty much the same town as Temecula.
Okay.
It's like the next town over.
One Sushi. Alright guys, so it is an all-you-can-eat menu, and everything on here looks super good, but I'm going to do the 50 nigiri challenge that Raymond did, just to do it, and we'll see if I get any other rolls, but yeah, we're going to start with that and then hammer down.
I did this challenge, I did 50 nigiri, I did it, I got it on video, he's going to do it now.
Okay,
so can you get 50 for him and then 24 for me?
Yeah.
24 is like a regular day.
Yeah.
Check it out. So Nick has to do a quick little edit. Look for that. I'll put Nick's info, his Instagram.
Alright guys, so we got 2 little salads to start off with, and it's very important to hit your micronutrients. So I'm going to take these down and then patiently wait for the sushi. Perfect. Thank you. Alright guys, the challenge is here. So we have 50 pieces of nigiri. It's about to go down. Raymond got 25 pieces.
Diet life, bro. Diet life. Just give me 90 days, man. I'll join you guys. 90 days.
Alright boys, it's time to eat.
We're set the timer. Alright, we're gonna set a timer just to set it. I'm not gonna speed eat and kind of hammer through it. I'm just gonna enjoy it. So ready, set, go. Alright guys, 25 down, 26 to go. Guys, 9 minutes and 56 seconds. Took down 51 pieces of nigiri, and the food was actually really good. It was amazing. And we're gonna put in another order for some more sushi and just keep the train rolling.
You crushed it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, so here is the Boston roll. And so in it we got avocado, salmon, as well as some asparagus and green onion.
This is Alaskan. It's just salmon and then spicy salmon.
Yeah.
Or spicy tuna inside. And then tuna, salmon. It's called a sunrise.
Cool. Looks bomb. Who goes to a sushi restaurant and gets chicken wings?
Buffalo Wild Wings? Sushi rolls fucked up.
You gonna be able to finish that?
I don't know. I'm like, I'm making my best. Kale, I got kale.
Make sure you eat your kale.
Kale life.
Alright guys, here we have it. 26 more pieces of salmon nigiri. And then I also did get a caterpillar roll, and those are, what are those things called? Those little things?
Sweet eggs.
Sweet
Kind of like I get them for dessert because they're kind of sweet. Pretty good.
Yeah. Those are the sweet eggs, but we're gonna smash these down and then hit that caterpillar roll. guys, and the last and final roll, we have the Three Amigos roll. I decided to get more because I just ate 93 pieces of sushi, and I wanted to just get to 100, so this will make 101 pieces.
Three Amigos roll.
Alright guys, and for all that sushi I just smashed, we're looking at 32 bucks. Not bad at all. That's a steal.
That's a little.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we made it home. It was a long drive, but we did make it. I'm pretty tired, a little sleepy. Just had some good music to keep me up on the ride home. I'm definitely in like a little carb daze because I haven't been consuming carbs. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and like always, please subscribe, please like, please share, and let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed the video, what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, and what I could do to improve it. But yeah, again, like always, thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. Peace.